nothing in this house. Every time I come in the kitchen, you in the kitchen. In the goddamn refrigerator. Eating up all the food, all the chicken, all the pig feet. My mashed potatoes, that good old gravy I like, and biscuits I like, or something they gave me. You ate all of that. You drink up all the milk, don't care what kind of milk it is. You don't care. 2%, 3% buttermilk, patent milk, hold a pound of patent milk can, I bet you eat that too. What's wrong with you? I'm hiding my grapes. You gonna eat up all the grapes. Now, when I went to bed last night, didn't I tell you to take out the trash? Yeah? So why'd you do it?
Fell asleep.
I wish you was sleeping right now. I'd knock you upside your head with a left hook, make your ass wake up and take out that damn trash. Hey. What are you doing?
I'm throwing this away. We ain't even got no milk.
You better eat that damn cereal. You ain't got no damn milk. I bet. When I was coming up, we didn't have milk, cereal, a bowl to eat in, spoon, fork, knife. No napkins or nothing. Just do like this. What, mop with your hand like that. You ever do that? No. Have you ever had government cheese? Craig, government cheese you had some? No. Taking government cheese. Couldn't take a dump for 2 weeks. You eat it on the 4th of July, by the 18th, everybody in the whole neighborhood trying to get to the bathroom. I want to eat some of them chitlins. I love pig feet. The barbecue pig feet were gone. You got grease all over your damn mouth. I had a sweet potato pie in there. You ate the whole pie. Left me that little old plastic thing there. You ain't got no damn milk. Ain't that a bitch? You funny. You're my boy. You remind me of my granddaddy. You know what your problem is? You think money grows on trees. Just go out and pick you $400 or $500 and go off and just dance and eat chicken and dance and you just had all the fun in the world. You know how many stinking dogs I gotta catch to fill that big ass bowl you got there, boy? 45, 50 dogs. Stinking, nasty dog, and 12 of them little stinking things you call a chihuahua. You better put some water on that shit, boy.
Alright, I'll eat it.
Hey! Take the garbage out front, son. What is wrong with you?